Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here, with some more NASCAR Authentics, the 187 Mystery Packs. Part 3, we have 6 more. Let's see if we can get the last 5, which is Kyle Busch, Bubba Wallace, Austin Dillon, William Byron, and Chase Elliott. Let's figure out what's in this pack. Oh, I need scissors for this. It's Kyle Busch! There's the sticker. We have the second pack. Let's figure out if this is another one of those cards again. This time it's Bubba Wallace. Next on our list, let's hope it's a new one. It's Chase Elliott. Next one, let's see if we can keep this going. It's another Chase Elliott. And the sticker's somewhere inside. Alright. Let's figure out who's in this one. Let's get a new car. Is it another Kyle Busch? Excellent. Let's figure out what's in this one. It is another Bubba Wallace. So in this pack, it's a bunch of Kyle Busches, Bubba Wallace's, and Chase Elliott's for this round. It looks like we still need to find William Byron and Austin Dillon. Well, thanks for watching this episode for part 3 of the NASCAR Authentics 187 Mystery Packs. See you next time.